Honor recently confirmed that it will announce the Honor X60 series of smartphones on October 16 in China, with the Honor X60 and X60 Pro for pre-orders on its official online store. A recent leak has now revealed the front design and key specifications of the upcoming phone. The official image shows a similarly curved display, middle frame, and back plate. The three holes on the top of the frame likely indicate a secondary speaker. The pill-shaped design on the top of the display suggests a software feature similar to Apple's Dynamic Island. As for the specifications, the Honor X60 features a 6.8-inch FHD Plus screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 chipset. The device ships with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. On the software side, it runs Magic OS 8 based on Android 14. It features a 108MP main camera and the phone powered by 5800 mAh battery with 35W charger. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.